This a dolly and luxury, bunny and a bugsy. Kneel down and just it, pretty little muffin.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? So I said to myself, you know, I know that you guys know that it's my birthday. Well, it was my birthday, like on the 24th. I didn't get a chance to put up a birthday video on that day, but I said I still wanted to give you guys something. Usually, you know, I'd give you like a photo shoot behind the scenes like last year, or get ready with me. That wasn't the case this year, so I said I'm going to do an unboxing, you know, something mini, I don't know, kinda, I don't know. So it's like a compilation, so it's both stuff that I treated myself to, that I you know, I discipline myself, you know, people finna look on the something that I know I buy, you know, but like a couple pieces in there that I say me not touch it until my birthday. And then the other stuff from like my husband, my sister, and my mom. Alright.
What mine first?
Wait there, which side we start from? Everybody there behind the camera, you know, they will watch me. Alright, so I'm gonna start with that one here first. Okay? Let me just open it. Call me excited. Alright, so what's this as door?
Hey.
Alright. What is Versace? What you think? The one blue? I like this. Oh my gosh. So this is from Shami. Oh my gosh, you know me so well. I love fragrance in the people. No man. I don't have anything in Versace. You're good at keeping secrets now, though, mommy.
So me not tell her first.
You're good with it. I didn't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you make sure look and go do your research and such. Me like that. Ooh. Alright, so them say you have to make it kind of like sink in. Me love it. Me love it. From a look on the buckle, I couldn't see the vibe they gonna give me.
Then says boss.
Oh my god. Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
It's very expensive. I love it. This is from you too? Shami, come on.
This is something we know anymore.
Well, the box are big, you feel like a feather you put in the kind of light. I'm going to tape you stress me out. And you know, so me not go buy one day. And I know say that probably stop me. She got me a pair of my first pair of Crocs. Yes, cause I'm not in the pink business. Because if anybody else did probably forget me one pair of Crocs, I'm gonna get me pink. I love this.
And them have gibbets in the bag.
Oh, you know. You did genuinely in your spirit feel it. No, so me did want one. She got me these little stuff too.
I'm wearing that one.
Oh, she get me a bunch of them. Yeah, cause I like the vibe then. I like the little vibe where them pushing the thing. I love them. Mwah. On to the next one. Alright, so this said taste the season. Alright, this is the next one. That one here from Mommy. Alright. You know somebody needed Mommy make sure take this as store in our memory. I needed this. One piece of road bag me. I'm a whole heap of bag, you know, don't get me wrong. Nice bag. But for some reason, I stuck on the one piece of bag I have. The bag inside there to the door and see it. I'm not going to go in there. So I'm so appreciative for this bag right here. I did tell her so I need it. I just tell her generally, you know, it have a whole heap of different compartments in there.
Can you carry whole heap of cabin?
And it, you know what, is the bright size. You know, somebody did have one similar to this already. Me, I go live in another bag here. So, that is it for the next gift. Alright, so I have one behind me. What's it too little? Alright, so I'm never.
The red and that.
Huh?
The
And then I read too.
yeah, all of the red them.
Oh!
The bigger one.
Yeah.
When you open the bag, open the bigger red pocket at the same time.
Oh. It's two of them. This one?
The bigger
Yeah.
that open with the bag.
What me
Alright.
can just go see.
Alright, I'm gonna go on with this first. Come and touch it and it's here. So, we're gonna look at this. All of these are from Divine, okay? Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna get if I don't know if you know, but I love anything we have like that iridescent like look, and it's full white. It's just like pure. Guys, I don't have no full like white sneaker, even though they still have the iridescent strip. Like it, I don't have no.
People them say get them, you don't wear them. Stop
Guys, and then I get.
wait.
Wait.
The bag now.
Alright, so I'm still have to open this with the bag. I'm extra! I'm just extra! Watch out! Get me the ones! So, I got this whole fit. Then look on that! Look at that! Me love that! This is the next one, guys. Yeah. Oh my god! One next wife.
Right at the pre, you see it?
Yeah,
Right at the pre,
pure.
you know.
Alright, okay, I have two more something here, so. So I tape up good. Ooh.
Again.
Yes, Lady Million. Spray.
I spray pan out of the bus actually.
Alright, I'm gonna spray it away. Alright, wait. Ooh,
That smells nice.
yes. This smells so good.
Yeah, it smells nice. You smell it.
Yo, guys, just stay tuned for my perfume collection. Follow me on my vlog channel. I've been building it, and it's not the biggest. It's still not the biggest, but I love it. I love it. Love this. Love this. Alright, so on to the next one. So far is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Me I count good? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. Yeah, I know my count says 1. 4 things from the band. And then these are 5. Alright. So our next perfume. Guys, sorry for the way I dash with the bag, but like Rosewood Banana Republic. Okay. I never have nothing from them yet. I never. I want to go. Okay. Alright. So I have to pull up. I don't have no strip, guys. Sorry, I don't have no strip for Tessie pan right now. So that's why. I love it. I feel like them perfume here go fit for like every kind of mood. All of them is just like a different kind of mood. Love it. So this is present number 5 from the bag. So I move on to that one here now. And this one is also from Divine. Okay. Alright. So we see what we have in here. Well, obviously, we see what we have. Gucci. And then alright.
Just say, you don't have to read it. You read that to you, that's up to you.
Okay. Alright. Okay, I can't feel it, guys. I want to slide. It just look like one baby something so. Look how it's shot. Look how it's shot. Guys, I wear 4, 5, and 6. Okay? That's not. Guys, look here. So, backstory. Him did know someone want this. Yeah, I don't know. He loves white. He had an idea that I wanted this pair of slide because I was talking about it a lot. I just never end up getting it. So him knowing me that when he went ahead and got this. Yeah, I just like it. I like it. You know? Yeah. I can add this to all my other slides and slippers that I have. So yeah. Alright. So this is gift number 6. I appreciate each and every one of them. Every single one of them. Them listen to me. Like, it's not about what they even got, it's the fact that they listen, you know? Like, it means a lot. It means a lot. Because if you don't know me, you know, you're the type of person that TV usually go hard for my birthday. Alright, guys. So, see, I pulled everything that, you know, I wanted it to be more intimate. So, this is just from, I have other presents, but I won't do them in the video. I actually didn't even bring them with me. I'm going to do those off camera, but they're at home under the tree. Because you know, don't know it already. Some people just give me both Christmas and birthday gifts. Some just leave it for Christmas. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to move on to the last thing I have, and these are stuff that I went out and treated myself to. Okay. So we'll go ahead and I'm just scoop everything over here. Alright guys, so I'll go with what my hand grabbed first. So this first thing out the bag, JBW. Got myself a JBW diamond piece. I saw the design, I was just really intrigued. So, oh, and I got the bracelet for these two. Yeah, I got myself a watch and also a like bracelet from them. So the two of them came together. So, guys, when I tell you, say I got the package. I saw that it was this, but I shall me call and say, shall me look on that and just make sure I say, you know, because I know them something I gonna look different in a real life. So I never even look at it, honestly. So I don't remember the name. So this is the watch that I got. So it has a lot. I think this comes with, is it 20 diamonds? So I really love the design. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like, yeah, honey. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to go ahead. I think I'm gonna wear this tonight at dinner. So guys, you need to catch up with me on my vlog channel, you know. Catch up with me over Vlogmas. Vlogsember is actually going to be going on 31. Oh, I can't wear this tonight. Watch here, too big. I'm going to have to remove some links. My hands are so tiny, but this is how it looks. And I can't even see it good right now because like when it glistens in the dark, it's a different kind. Usually that happens to me when I purchase watch. So, you know, I'm gonna get that done. Oh, and then I got the bracelet. Get the bracelet for like to go with it. It came as like a combo. So I just say, you know, why not? So I went ahead and I got this. This have diamond in there too. But yeah, that's how this looks. So I can go ahead and wear the two of them together. So that's one of my little gifts to myself. So then I got myself fragrances, guys. I couldn't help me. Me ever buy fragrances. I just want everybody smell good. That's just me. Alright, so I've heard a lot of rave over the Good Girl brand, and I went ahead and I got this like fully gold one. I'm really just intrigued by the design, the full gold. It just look luxurious, and I love the design of the bottle, you know, the high heel. It screams sophistication, you know. So the Good Girl Glorious Gold. Ooh. Smell it. Try. Yes, it is. It is. I got another fragrance, and this one is from YSL. This is a Black Opium, and this is another one that I hear a lot of rave about. So I say I want to try it out. Guys, mind you, I have no tester, you know. I just make me buy it and done. I'm going to buy it for my birthday, you know. So this bottle not as fancy as Good Girl, I'm not gonna lie. This is very nice. You smell it? This is more of a musky scent. I like more refreshing scents, but I still love this. Different scents for different moods, different time of the day. That kind of flow there, yeah. So I'm happy I got this, and I'm up to 3 fragrances for my birthday. Just a little bit of, you know, lituation. I said, why not go ahead and get a bottle? So I decided to go ahead and get a bottle of Ace of Spade. So I'm gonna get a bottle of that one here. Divine bought this. Okay, this is the Champagne Armande Brut Rosé. Alright. So this is the bottle that I got. I'm so grateful though. So the last thing that I got, so for a while now, Mr. Mwawa upgrade. I'm gonna determine says that anything will drop that year from iPhone, we're gonna get it. You understand? I like the bigger phones, so I decided to go ahead and get the 12 Pro Max, and that's what I did. So I got the 12 Pro Max, and I got some accessories with it. I got the AirPods, and I customized this one. I put my name on it. I don't know if you guys will even pick that up on the camera, but I engraved my name on it. Like, it have some extra features than the other one, so I got this one. I got a phone case, a clear phone case, and then I got the actual phone, and I got the adapter, a new one, because the one I have is acting up. So yeah, that's the final thing I got. I am so happy to go ahead and switch over my phone right now. When I tell you me get that phone here, I'm gonna put it down and say me now pull it till my birthday, because it's actually a treat to myself. I'm grateful for everybody that stayed to the end of this video, that even tuned in, everybody that been supporting me, everybody that support me on my vlog channel as well. If you just genuinely rock with me, shout out to you. I'm so grateful. Everybody that wished me happy birthday, you know, I am very grateful. Everybody that, you know, just everybody that got me something for my birthday, I'm very grateful. Thank each and every one of you. I am truly so appreciative, no matter what. No matter what, I am very grateful. So yeah, but for the pro, I did expect it to feel a little bigger. I don't know why. Like, I don't know. And guys, I'm not the type of person, like, honestly, this is that 8 plus I have before. I'm not the type of person to run off everything that comes out immediately, because when the 10 came out and then the 11 came out, I never run feet. Like, I'm just that person, like, honestly, it applies to anything. I go at my own pace, and whenever I'm ready, then that's when I do what I feel like doing. So my phone was working just fine. The other day though, it gave me a scare, because I felt like something was going bad with the speaker. So that kind of did prompt me to really get the phone. But me did say also, me did just want to treat myself for my birthday to get an upgrade, because it's an 8 plus. So I'm gonna say, alright, I'm gonna get the 12 Pro Max, and that's what I did. I am so happy. I am so happy. I even went ahead and bought a couple phone cases for this, but I didn't bring them with me because I have this clear one. Yeah, I have a screen protector and everything too. So because I don't ever use my phones without screen protectors, especially an iPhone. Me not in the stress for if the screen got cracked. I don't have time for that, not at all. So that's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, that's everything that I got on my birthday. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to the end of this video. I'm so appreciative. So appreciative. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. Your girl is very frequent, very consistent on uploads, and I'm just humbled by you guys' support. Like, I'm really just humbled. Thank you guys so much, and that's pretty much it for today's video. If you want to see more, go ahead and tune into my vlog channel. What happened today is probably already live, but if you didn't see it, go ahead and check it out now. It's Vlogmas 25, because I vlog a day in the back. I can't manage to vlog today and put it up today, so it's a day in the back. So what happened on Christmas Eve, you see it on the 25th. What happened on Christmas Day, you see it on the 26th. So go ahead and check that out. Go and make up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.